In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add correct answer in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular form into a self-grading quiz and mark the right choice so responses can be checked automatically. Start by opening Google Forms in your browser. From the main page, choose the blank form option to create a fresh form. Give your form a title if you like, then click into the first question field. Type your question. For example, you might write, "What is 10 divided by 2?" If the question type isn't already what you need, open the drop-down next to the question and select multiple choice. This ensures you can offer a list of possible answers and pick one correct option. Now add your answer choices using the add option fields such as 3, 4, and 5 so respondents can choose from them. Next, look to the top of the page and click Settings. In the Settings panel, find the section labeled Make this a quiz and switch it on. This is the key step that unlocks grading features in your form. While you're here, you'll also see an option to let respondents see correct answers after they submit. Enable that if you want your form to reveal which choices were right. If you prefer to keep answers hidden, simply leave that off. Return to the Questions tab to finish setting up your question. Under your multiple choice question, click Answer Key. This view lets you define which option is correct. Click on the correct choice. Continuing our example, select 5 if the question is 10-2, and you've listed 5 as one of the options. You'll notice the selected choice is now marked as the right answer for grading. When you're satisfied, click Done to save the answer key for this question. That's it. You've created a question, set it to multiple choice, enabled quiz mode, and chosen the correct answer. From now on, Google Forms can automatically evaluate responses based on the answer key you defined. If you don't see the answer key option at any point, double check that Make this a quiz is turned on in settings. Also remember that the correct answer visibility you toggled in settings controls whether respondents can see which choices were correct after submitting. Repeat these same steps for any additional questions you add to your quiz. With just a few clicks, your form becomes a reliable, auto-graded tool for quick checks, practice quizzes, and assessments.